Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing well and healthy. So today I am back with another interesting corners of Northeast India. So now we will discuss some tourist places in Assam. For that you need to watch my whole video, and after watching my video do comment in the comment box which are the places you are planning to visit. So the first one is Kaziranga National Park, home to one-horned rhinoceros. The Kaziranga National Park is home to two-thirds of the planet's population of the one-horned rhinoceros. Apart from that, this national park is also a World Heritage Site and a major highlight on the Assam Tourist Places map. Its vibrant, well-preserved, sustained ecology and a versatile biodiversity is what contributes to keeping this place on the top of the list of tourist places in Assam. Other than the one-horned rhino, the park draws its popularity from other pleasant surprises like the swamp, deer, elephants, wild buffalo, shining pangolins, Bengal foxes, gibbons, chibets, slot bears, leopards, and flying squirrels, to name a few. It's also a tiger reserve since it houses an enormous population of the Royal Bengal tigers, making it one of the most important Assam points of interest. This is certainly among the best places to visit in Assam. Second, Manas National Park, Biosphere Reserve. The next on the list of Assam places to visit is the Manas National Park, which is a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a project, tiger reserve, an elephant reserve, a biosphere reserve, all in one, and the best tourist place in Assam, being famous for the rare golden langur and the adorable red panda. Manas is one of the best national parks in Assam and even all of India for those who wish to witness the rare species of India's flora. It's one of the best tourist attractions in Assam, owing to not only its rich biodiversity but also for its stunning scenery and several natural landscapes ranging from forested hills, alluvial grasslands and tropical evergreen forests. Home to India's second largest tiger population, it harbors the maximum population of endangered Indian species as listed in the IUCN Red Book. Next, Kamakhya Temple, Religious Expedition. One of the 51 Shaktipeeths in India, the Kamakhya Temple carries a might to protect devotees from evil eyes. It's one of the most popular and famous tourist places in Assam for pilgrims and tourists alike, owing to its amazing tantric adoration. Located atop Nilachal Hills, this temple's main deity is Lord Shiva and Dakshayagni, that incarnation. Fourth, Majuli Island, largest riverine island. Majoli's eye-warming nature escapes makes it one of the top tourist places in Assam. It is the world's largest riverine island as well as one of the most important kshetras established by Shankadeva and Madhavdev. The Majuli Islands are spread over an area of around 452 square kilometers, and most of these get submerged underwater during the monsoons, leaving the bigger islands like Kamalabari, Ainihati and Garamur on the surface. This is why it's best to visit this place in Guwahati in May. This is undoubtedly among the best places to visit in Assam. Apart from having remarkable natural beauty, Majuli is also a bird watcher's paradise. A holiday in Assam is incomplete without seeing one of the most beautiful places to visit in Assam. Next is Holangapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary Best Spectacles of Assam. Located less than 20 km from Jorhat city center, Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is a haven for Assam's Hulak gibbon population, surrounded by the Brahmaputra River on one side and tea gardens on all others. This wildlife sanctuary is among the best spectacles of Assam, sightseeing for wildlife lovers and nature seekers. Other than over 40 species of Hulak gibbons, these enclosure houses cap langur, thumb-nail macaque, pigtail macaque, Assamese macaque, Hughes's macaque, slow walrus, elephants, and so many more species of animals. This is one of the most popular Assam tourist places. The sixth, Kokachang Waterfalls, magnificent wonder of nature. Cascading down furiously between the rubber and coffee plantations of Jorhat, the Kokachang Waterfalls are a magnificent wonder of nature. The main waterfall is located 13 kilometers from the Bokaghat in Jorhat and attracts tourists in great numbers year-round. Apart from providing a refreshing retreat and a great subject for chatterbox, this waterfall gives splendid views of the ruins of Numaligarh and lush green tea plantations. Located close to the Kaziranga National Park, Kokachang is among the must-visit Assam points of interest. 7.1 is Toklai Tea Research Center, oldest tea research stations. Established in 1911, the Toklai Tea Research Center is among the largest and oldest tea research stations in the world. All the scientists' knowledge that the world holds about tea has come from this center in Assam. Various researches on the extraction, cultivation and processing of tea are conducted here day after day in order to enhance tea's nutritional value. This is one of the most popular Assam tourist places owing to its regular tea processing tours and tasting tour it holds for visitors. 8.1 is Assam State Zoo and Botanical Garden. Meet kangaroos and llamas. Located in the capital city of Guwahati, deep inside the Hengrabari Reserve Forest, the Assam State Zoo is among the most fascinating places to see in Assam. It's a must-visit for all nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts who wish to spend time amidst the green zones of the state and meet over 900 species of animals, birds and reptiles. Set up in 1957, the Botanical Garden cum Zoo has expanded over the years and turned into the home of the one-horned rhinoceros, tigers, clouded leopards, elephants, leopards, and many more species. You will also find chimpanzees, white rhinos, kangaroos, giraffes, zebras, puma, ostriches, jaguars, and llama here. Next is Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, a diverse ecology situated and located on the eastern Himalayan foothills. This park gives you not only the chance to spot some of the country's rarest animal and bird species, but also blesses you with unbeatable views of the snowy Himalayan peaks and endless orchid meadows. One of the best Assam tourist places, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuaries share its borders with Arunachal Pradesh and somewhat merges with the Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary, giving visitors the best of both worlds. The park is an absolute heaven for birdwatchers, courtesy its marshy landscapes and ecology. But what makes it shine out is its elephant reserve, where orphaned and abandoned elephants are taken care of. Next is Orang National Park, rare species of aquatic being. Among all other Assam places to visit is the Orang National Park or Rajiv Gandhi National Park, nestled quietly on the northern shores of the Brahmaputra. It's the popular home of Assam's one-horned rhinos, and though small in size, this park is among the most unique Assam destinations. It provides shelter to more than 50 species of fish and is unbelievably rich in fauna, which contribute majorly to its bewitching landforms and scenic charm. Next is Umananda Island, one of the smallest islands in the world. This religious island is among the best places to visit in Assam in June and should be on the bucket list of every traveler visiting Assam. Also called Peacock Island by the British, this small island owes its fame to its location smack in the middle of the river Brahmaputra and the fact that it is easily accessible from Guwahati. This island is among the smallest islands of the world and houses the famous Umananda temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Next is Dipor Bill, water lilies and yachins. Bill in Assamese translates to lake, and this is a splendid one at that. The list of tourist places in Assam is never complete without mentioning the incredible Dipor Bill, formed as an extension of the Brahmaputra river. This lake is situated 13 km southwest of Guwahati and is the perfect spot for bird watching and basking in the sun. You will find all sorts of water lilies, water hyacinths, aquatic grass and other rare species of flora here that add a magical touch to this place and make it a favorite spot of couples and photographers. Next is Guwahati Planetarium, a space oddity. Astronomy lovers who visit Assam absolutely love this one attraction. The Guwahati Planetarium attracts a large number of visitors every year, with its myriad avenues for space exploration and activities for kids and space enthusiasts. It's a great place for young minds that want to learn surprising facts about the universe in a fun and interactive way. This popular astronomical research center also hosts a number of seminars and exhibitions to let people witness rare phenomena like solar eclipse and meteor showers. Next is Hajo Stunning. The next on the list of the Assam places to visit is a very ancient pilgrim site located 24 km northwest of the capital city of Guwahati, tucked on the banks of Brahmaputra and easily accessible by roads. This is a very distinct and unmeasurable part of Assam that brings travelers from near and far. The entire area of Hajo is beautifully embellished with stunning temples of Assam and sacred artifacts that you love to see when you are here. Don't miss the Hayagriva Madhava Mandir and the Hajo Pua Mecca when you are here. Temples and sacred artifacts. Next is Nameri National Park, Dauntless Safari, famous for its Royal Bengal tigers, elephants and other animals including leopards, gores, wild pigs, samburs and more. The Nameri National Park is among the most adventure-packed Assam places to visit for thrill seeker and wildlife fanatics. Apart from its fauna, Nameri also has a large population of avifauna, which makes its bird watcher's paradise one of the best things to do in Assam. While in the Nameri Sanctuary is to embark on the dauntless safari down its lush thickets and dark tracks. Other than the wildlife, the rich fauna and the evergreen vegetations also tends to enhance visitors. A stop at the Nameri River will let you spot a variety of fish, including the golden machir, which is known as the tiger of the Himalayan rivers. This is one of the most loved Assam famous places. So in this video I have shown few places to visit in Assam, and there are also many more tourist attraction places which we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.